Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about elements of design in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Elements of design in clothing. Shape, texture, space, pattern. By understanding and using the elements of design, you increase the likelihood that you will be successful in creating designs that are pleasing. Understanding shape. When you see the shadow of an object on the wall, you are looking at its shape. Most clothes fit four basic shapes. Natural, clothes fit close to the body and emphasizes the natural waistline. This shape is most classic and is worn most easily on average body sizes. Understanding shape. Tubular. The shape is rectangular with vertical emphasis. The dominant lines go up and down. The waistline is not usually defined. Understanding shape. Bell. Both diagonal and horizontal lines combine in a bell shape. This shape can cut height and add curves to a figure. Understanding shape. Full. Full shapes have more horizontal and curved lines than other shapes do. Full shapes tends to make the body look larger. Understanding shape. The overall shape of a garment is in its form or silhouette, its overall outline. The shape is created by the cut and construction of a garment. Understanding shape. Clothes can reveal or disguise the natural body counter. Clothing shapes that are most flattering to a person emphasizes his or her good features and hide the less attractive ones. Using shape in clothing. To look larger, wide full shapes. Look smaller, trim compact silhouettes. Using shape in clothing. Look taller, straight tubular shapes. Form fitting clothes reveal any unattractive counters a body might have. Understanding space. The outline of a garment is its shape. The area inside a shape is known as space. Space is just as important as the shape because what goes on within the spaces contributes to the visual effect of the garment. Typically, internal lines, either structural or decorative, divide the space on a garment. Understanding texture. Textures create different impressions. The surface quality of goods, the quality of roughness, smoothness, glossiness or stiffness. Texture is determined by a fabric's fibers, yarns and method of construction. Structural texture is created when fabrics or garments are manufactured. Visual texture is printed onto the surface of fabrics or garments. Smooth texture. Smooth flat textures make people look smaller. Shiny texture. Shiny textures makes the body look larger because they reflect light. They make fabric colors look lighter and brighter, thus making the body look larger. Rough texture. Rough textures tend to subdue the colors of fabrics. Sheer texture. Sheer fabrics reveal the true body shape. It tends to soften the figure when used over a soft lining. Dull texture. Dull textures make a person appear smaller because they absorb light. The dull texture of the layered dress make the person appear smaller. Clinging soft texture. Clinging soft textures reveal the body's true silhouette. This dress soft texture reveals its true outline. Stiff, crisp structure. Stiff, crisp structures make the total shape appear bigger because they stand away from the body. Visual texture. A motif is one unit of a design that is usually repeated. A small overall print tends to make the wearer look smaller. Large bold prints increase the apparent size of the wearer. The large flowers on this dress makes the wearer appear larger. Understanding pattern. When the elements of design are brought together on a fabric, a pattern results. Patterns come in a great variety: stripes, plaits, geometrics, florals, scenics, borders and more. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.